Hey Josh, you know, a lot of times we have these new old stock parts and something that you take off of a car, especially when we're dealing with early stuff on there.
Yes.
Corrosion.
Corrosion and
Beat up. Somebody's hit it with a hammer.
You got a groove worn in, something from a seal that's gotten grit in it.
Yeah, like those old leather seals
Yep.
going to get in there, because we're restoring a piece. We're making things work with what we have.
That's correct. Yeah. So we got a harmonic dampener here that's new old stock, but it suffered from some corrosion here on the sealing surface. So we got to make a little bit of a repair.
Okay. What do you think for that?
I think a Speedi Sleeve is just the ticket.
Those are tricks.
Yeah, they can save you a lot of trouble on either rough surfaces or worn out surfaces.
So basically, what does the Speedi Sleeve do?
What it does is a little thin ring of stainless steel. Very thin.
A little bit.
Right, they're only a few thousandths thick, and you drive it onto the part, and what it does is then you have this nice surface for your seal to
So
work.
it just kind of adds that missing material.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
how do you like to drive it on there?
well, what I like to do is I need to figure out where it needs to go. So I already have taken and measured here and figured out that there's a little chamfer at the edge. We want the top edge of the Speedi Sleeve to be right at the chamfer, and that's going to give us a good fit. And I like to also put some type of sealer or adhesive behind it to help prevent any oil from weeping behind it.
Okay, that's smart.
And then
What you got there for that?
Just some shellac, gasket shellac. So I'm just going to take it and apply just a little bit. Use a universal applicator here. We can wipe up any extra. I find it also kind of helps it to slide on.
Yeah, it just adds a little something extra on there.
And then what I like to do is just take it.
Put it in this little cup
It comes
right
with
there.
a little cup.
Make sure it's straight and true.
Yep. Make about like that. And then work it on there. Taking time to check your progress to see that it lines up.
We'll run that line.
I think that looks pretty good.
That looks good, and there you go. You have something that you might not be able to get, or something you already have, and it's fixed and it's ready to go.
So there we go. We got a nice fresh sealing surface. And what'd that take? Only a few seconds to fix.
Good job. Awesome.
Yep.
Well, congratulations. You've reached the end of one of our videos. Now we've got more. Maybe you could click on one of these ones here and I can get out of the shop one of these days.